This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Update Windows, sign into the Microsoft account, and confirm date, time, and region match your location. Once done, free at least 1 GB of disk space and restart the PC so cache is clear. Next, open Settings and run the internet connections and storage troubleshooters to catch common issues automatically. Doing these steps first removes simple causes, so you don't waste time on deeper fixes when the problem is just a missing update or account mismatch. Now you tackle the store itself. Run WS Reset. exe to clear the store cache. This often fixes failed installs. Next, open Services and make sure Windows Update and Microsoft Store Install Service are set to manual or automatic and are running. Restarting them helps. If that fails, re-register the store by running the PowerShell command as administrator. This restores app package registrations. After re-registering, reboot to apply changes. These steps repair corrupted caches and service states that commonly trigger error. Finish with advanced repairs. Uninstall the specific app, then reinstall from the store to replace broken package files. If the store still errors, run System File Checker, sfc/scano, and then dism restore health commands to repair system components. Reboot after each command. Once healthy, try the store again. If none of this works, create a fresh Windows user to isolate profile corruption, or choose Reset Windows while keeping your files as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If reinstall fails, check Event Viewer for the exact package or dependency error to target the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.